Investing in cryptocurrency can feel like stepping into a whole new universe, especially if you're just starting out in 2024. So, let's break it down into manageable pieces. First, it's crucial to understand what cryptocurrency is. At its core, it's digital money that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies, it operates on a technology called blockchain, which is a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This means no central authority, like a bank, controls it. Now, before you dive in, you need to do your homework. Research is your best friend. Familiarize yourself with the major players in the crypto market. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the giants, but there are thousands of other coins out there, often referred to as altcoins. Each has its own unique features and potential for growth. Look into their use cases, the teams behind them, and their market trends. Next, you'll want to choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. Think of this as your digital marketplace. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. When selecting an exchange, consider factors like security, fees, and user experience. You want a platform that feels intuitive and keeps your investment safe. Once you've set up your account, it's time to fund it. Most exchanges allow you to deposit money via bank transfer or credit card. Keep in mind that different payment methods might incur different fees, so check those before you commit. Now comes the fun part: buying your first cryptocurrency. Start small. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement and invest more than you can afford to lose. A common strategy is to dollar cost average, which means investing a fixed amount regularly, regardless of the price. This can help mitigate the impact of market volatility. After you've made your purchase, consider how you want to store your crypto. You can keep it on the exchange, but that's like leaving your cash in a bar. Convenient but risky. Instead, think about using a wallet. There are hot wallets, which are connected to the internet, and cold wallets, which are offline and much more secure. If you're serious about investing, a cold wallet is a wise choice for long-term storage. As you navigate this new landscape, remember that the crypto market is notoriously volatile. Prices can swing dramatically in a short period. Stay informed about market trends, news, and regulatory changes that could impact your investments. Lastly, don't forget to have fun with it. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, and there's always something new to learn. Engage with communities online, follow thought leaders, and share your experiences. Just remember to invest responsibly and never put in more than you can afford to lose. So, there you have it, a beginner's roadmap to investing in crypto in 2024. Embrace the journey, stay curious, and who knows, you might just find yourself in the midst of the next big financial revolution.